Well, what a first
Let's
half
go.
this has been with both
Yeah.
teams playing with such aggression.
Go,
Atencio
go,
makes a pass
go, go.
towards Salcido.
Ah.
Slapped to the ground.
Dang it.
It's all on the line as the Bolts make a risky drive in the final seconds. They're in the red zone. Crowd on its feet. This could be the moment that defines the season.
What a game this has been so far. The Bolts have been
Driving is essential,
and now it's all.
but mistakes can be costly. Introducing the BlackVue DR770X 2-channel DMS driver monitoring dashcam. Featuring a full HD front-facing camera, you'll capture the road ahead in clear detail. And our revolutionary AI-powered interior infrared driver-facing camera detects when you lose focus of the road, such as times of drowsiness or distraction, and sends a warning in real time. With the BlackVue DR770X DMS, you'll benefit from features such as parking mode for round-the-clock coverage and seamless pairing for an easy installation. Whether you're protecting yourself or a full fleet of vehicles, driving reports can help identify potential safety issues and promote safe driving habits. The BlackVue DR770X 2-channel DMS, keeping you safe so you're around for life's best moments. Go to blackvue.com to get yours.